32 Creative Craft Ideas Using Old Picture Frames. Are you wondering what to do with old, but good, picture frames? Well, I'm going to give you all picture frame craft ideas. I'm sure you will find a couple ideas to repurpose a frame you would otherwise have tossed. 1. Framed Office Organizer. Not only is this a great organizer, it also looks decorative. To make a framed backboard frame organizer for your home or office, go to Just a Girl for the tutorial. 2. Mosaic Dough Frame. It's unbelievable that the attractive mosaics on this frame are made from bread dough. Find out how to make the bread dough clay and the rest of the instructions to make this frame at Fave Crafts. 3. Double Frame. By combining two frames, one beautiful, wide frame was made. Find out how to do this revamp by going to the Creativity Exchange. 4. Seashell Frame. If you are lucky enough to have a collection of seashells, a great way to use them would be to glue them onto an old picture frame. See how to do that by going to Snap UI. 5. Fancy Table Frames. This is a great idea for some of the oversized picture frames that you want to repurpose. A very useful, and inexpensive way to get that little table that you've always wanted. To make a table like the one shown to the left, go to Joann Fabrics for the instructions. 6. Reindeer Art. Although this is Christmas art, think about using these directions from Crafty Texas Girls, but use a black or colored silhouette instead of the reindeer. 7. Hair Bow Holder. Make this for a girl that you know so she can keep her hair bows neat. Go to Mom Always Finds Out for the instructions to make this holder. 8. CD Mosaic Frame. Who would have imagined that old CDs could be used to make a beautiful frame like this? You'll find the instructions for making a frame like this at Make It Easy Crafts. 9. Jewelry Holder. Keep your necklaces separate and untangled by making and using a jewelry holder like this one. Design Gal and her handyman gives easy to understand directions to make this holder. 10. Serving Tray. This will give you lots of other ideas and ways to use a picture frame to make a serving tray. You'll find directions on how this one was made at Sister Dipity. 11. Rolls Frame. Make rolls using magazine pages to make this delightful picture frame. Go to Better Homes and Gardens to see how this frame is made. 12. Jungle Animals Frame. 13. Denim Flower Frame. Crafts by Amanda explains how to make this denim flower frame. A great craft to do with the girls. 14. Medicine Cabinetry Do. This is an outstanding idea for updating your bathroom. If you don't have a large frame on hand, consider looking at garage sales or stores like Goodfault will. Be sure to measure before buying a frame. Then go to a top Serenity Hill to make your frame really unique. 15. Duct Tape Pizazz. With all the choices of duct tape available today, you'll easily find the print that is just right for you. Then, go to Craft Girl for the tutorial and redo all those picture frames that could use an update. 16. Ombre Penny Art. This really is a piece of art that would be suitable for an office, den, family room or a boy's room. Find the instructions for this craft at I Heart Nap Time. 17. Pedestal Picture Frames. This is such a super easy project and yet it looks like an expensive home decoration. See how easy it is to make by going to the Fancy Fuga Life site. 18. Picture Frame Memo Board. A perfect little memo board when you don't need a large one. Make this memo board using the directions at Crafting a Green World. 19. Beach Treasures. Check out the directions at Beach Treasures and Treasure Beaches to see how you can make a keepsake from treasures found on the beach. 20. Recharging Station. You can make a countertop charging station tablet holder from a picture frame. 21. Lace Earring Holder. Make your beautiful earrings part of your room's decor with the elegant look of this lace earring holder. Go to You Create for the tutorial. 22. Moss covered frame. Have you noticed how many moss-themed decorator items there are in stores now? Think of how much less expensive it is to make your own moss-covered pieces. To make the moss-covered frame shown above, go to Ruffled. 23. Holiday embroidery. I can just imagine these sitting on a Christmas mantel. Make these framed holiday pictures to gift to your friends and family. Go to Funky Polka Dot Giraffe to see how these are made. 24. Library Pocket Advent Calendar. I like this idea and think it is really decorative also. Ruffled Sunshine has directions on how to make this calendar. 25. Memo Frame. This is a beautiful and useful way to reuse a picture frame. Follow the instructions at me and my shadow to make a memo frame to gift to a high school or college graduate. 26. Weaving Loom. What would you think of making and using these looms as a scout project? I'm sure boys as well as girls would enjoy doing this weaving. Go to Unplug Your Kids for the instructions on making the loom. 27. Chalkboard. This chalkboard could be made to record a list to Santa, or it would be a nice size to have in the kitchen to hold a grocery list. Go to Confessions of a Serial Do-It-Yourselfer for the instructions. 28. Shabby Beach Cottage Frames. You'll love the colors and simplicity of these beach-themed frames. Find the tutorial at Trash to Treasure. 29. Burlap Earring Holder. I like the shabby chic look of this project. Go to My Sweet Things for all the directions. 30. File Cabinet Upgrade. Instead of buying new file cabinets, use picture frames to do a file cabinet upgrade. 31. Picture Frame Easel. 32. Picture Frame Key Holder. I really like this idea. And it's easy enough for any of us to make. Just follow the directions found at Everyday Dishes.